Hello comic book guys and gals, and welcome to Comic Mag Musings. This handsome devil is your host, Bill Miller. Super excited today because we have a mystery unboxing of some CGC auction comics that I picked up a couple months back in an online auction. I'm not sure how many are in there. I don't know what is in there, so we will find out together. And if there are a lot, we'll probably break it up into two different videos. That way we keep these within reason as far as time goes. So here is the box. And let's use our trusty box cutter to cut this guy open. I will try to pull them out without looking so that you get to see them first. And I need to quit talking with my hands when I have this guy in. All right, so let's open it up. I'll put it up here. All right. Always remember to cut away from yourself. Almost there. All right, I think we got it. Alright, this is interesting. Okay, so we've got one here. Now, I haven't seen them packed like this before. It's pretty wild. Alright, I will not look. But I don't know which side is the front and which is the back. All right, here we go. Boom. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I love it. I've been wanting this guy for a while. Super excited to have this one. This is Marvel Premiere number 15. Marvel Comics, May of 1974. Origin and first appearance of Iron Fist. First appearance of Harold Meacham. Death of Wendell and Heather Rand. Roy Thomas story, Gil Kane and Dick Giordano cover and art. CGC 9.2 off-white to white pages. That is a beauty. And on the back, you can make money and get prizes with fast-selling American seeds. For all you kids in Colorado and Oregon and Washington, I know what kind of a fast-selling seeds you're planting. So Iron Fist 9.2, definitely keeping that guy. Happy to have that in the collection. Okay, looks like we'll need the trusty box cutter a couple more times. And here we go. Oh, sweet. My first Hulk magazine. Hulk number 23, Marvel Comics, October of 1980. Walt Simonson cover, Dave Simons, frontispiece, Dominique Fortune backup story, Lou Ferrigno photo. Jim Shooter, Roger Stern, and Denny O'Neil stories, John Buscema, Alfredo Alcala, and Howard Chaykin art. This is a CGC 9.4 with off-white to white pages. So excited to have this. It's the first Hulk magazine I've ever gotten. I believe this series features the Rampaging Hulk. And your best selection is from Bud Plant. Again, not what you seed planters are thinking. This is something else. I don't know, some comic book / media paraphernalia seller back in the day. So the Hulk number 23. Very cool. And here we go with another. I think we can get through these all in one video. Okay. And boom. Oh boy. This is Savage Sword of Conan number 1. Marvel Comics. August of 1974. Black Mark series by Gil Kane begins. Red Sonja story. King Cole article by Glenn Lord. Roy Thomas stories. Boris Vallejo cover. John Buscema, Neil Adams, and Esteban Maroto art. And this is a CGC 8.5 with off-white to white pages. Now I already have Savage Sword number 1. So this was a value pickup that I'll be selling down the line. And we've got LaSalle Extension University on the back. If you've seen that coupon before, what are you waiting for? So very cool. Another one. And boom. What? The dreaded green label. But I knew about this one. So this I'm definitely keeping. I'm super, super jacked to have this one. Look at that bad boy down there. So this was signed by the cover artist Boris Vallejo, but it wasn't signed in the presence of a CGC grader or employee. So it got the green label. It says Savage Sword of Conan number 1, all the same stuff we said before. Boris W. Vallejo written on cover in marker. And that's why it has a qualified 9.2 with off-white to white pages. Great, and let's see. So I'm super excited to have this. I've studied his signature pretty extensively when I was looking around at this. And I know that's it, and there were several others in the same auction. In the same condition. So if CBCS graded magazines, which they don't, I don't believe, I would send it in to be certified. But in lieu of that, I don't care. I'm super happy to have a signed copy of Conan number 1. Very, very excited about that. Yeah, I guess we will break it into two. So this will be the last one for this video. Let's make sure it's a humdinger. And boom. Oh boy, what do we have here? Let's take a look-see. We've got Savage Sword of Conan number 60. Marvel Comics, January of '81. Tony DeZuniga frontispiece. Roy Thomas story. Earl Norham cover. Neil Adams and John Buscema art. This is a CGC 9.4 with off-white to white pages. And Earl Norham was a fantastic cover artist, as were most of the Savage Sword cover artists, but he was spectacular. And this one is no exception. Just gorgeous. And on the back, we've got Bud Plant selling his media wares yet again. So super excited to have that one. That's a keeper too. So all of them with the exception of that 8.5 Savage Sword number 1, I'll be keeping. Well, I love seeing those. I certainly hope you did as well. And if you did, I would encourage you to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you're alerted as soon as I release new videos. Thumbs up and comments are always appreciated. Remember, we're taking over the world one comic book at a time.